Today, I am going to install a minimalist linear shower drain in the bathroom. Hello everyone, I'm planning to renovate my countryside house. The floor tiles in the bathroom are done, but one shower drain hasn't been installed yet. Before this, I considered many types of shower drains. There are all kinds of shower drains shared online. Some like this, some like that, and even others like this. I don't really like the square layout style, but overly complicated installation methods easily become visual focal points. Nobody wants their eyes drawn to a shower drain every day. So, let me show you how I installed mine. All the tiles used were leftover materials. After cutting and grinding the tiles, they became the desired shapes. I planned to install the shower drain in a linear strip, but when laying the drainage pipe earlier, I didn't think it through. So the shower drain had to be limited to 50 centimeters in length. Any longer and it wouldn't be centered. If I tiled both ends to the wall, it might have looked even better. I started by placing the cut tiles in order. Each tile strip needed a slight slope to ensure the shower drain is at the lowest point. This reserve space allowed the drain to be installed. First, I cut off the drain pipe at the base, due to limited space. Right here, I could only install this ultra-thin secondary drainage unit. Before installation, I used micro cement to seal the sand cement layer. After that dried completely, I used cement paste to glue the drain in place. The drain I used is a side outlet type, so the entire drain needed a slight tilt to ensure smooth drainage. After repeatedly adjusting the height at each point, I cleaned up the excess cement paste and installed the drain accessories. After finishing, I checked the slope. This minimalist style shower drain is now complete. Let's take another look at the overall effect. Thanks for watching.